How to decline incoming call on iPhone 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, or 11 or X. So if you want to decline incoming calls on your iPhone, then let's get started. When you receive a call and want to decline it, what you need to do is just press the power button on the side of your iPhone twice. That's it. Just a double press of the power button and the call will be declined. It is as simple as that. Now, if you would like to add an extra option, you can also send a quick text message. So once you receive a call, you will get this kind of interface, right? On the left side, you will have the message button. You need to tap on the message. Once you tap on it, you will be able to respond it with your custom message, or you'll have all of these messages right here. Send a quick text message to the caller if needed. And this can be helpful for letting them know that you're busy and you will be back later. So that's how you can decline incoming calls on your iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.